Right, I'm using up the last of the puff pastry, and I'm making like a little plum. Well, you can't call it a tart. Not really, just a plum puff. Who knows? Let's wait and see. Right, so I used a coffee cup, upside down obviously, and drew round it into the pastry. Then I put an inner line just there, which is going to let your pastry puff round your plums. Okay, so I'm grabbing some plums and I'm just going to lay them onto my pastry. I'm looking for the little thin slices because I feel they'll cook the best. You can do this with apples, thinly sliced, anything you want really, in the fruit line that you know that you like. It's just a nice way of having the fruit and using up the pastry. Right, okay, so I'm going to drizzle honey, plums and honey. Tiny sprinkle, I mean tiny guys, because cinnamon is so overpowering. So get a pinch in your fingers like that, and just a flavouring of it, okay? And then just to give it that lovely little bit of crystallisation and caramelisation that we're wanting, we'll put some gorgeous Demerara sugar on there. Okay, instant pudding. Right, okay, we'll go back on to bake. Bake 160, take that temperature up again, and then we'll go time. Well, let's come down. Let's do 10 minutes and see where we go from there. Let's do match, and away we go. See you in 10 minutes, and I might have a half decent pudding. Okay, I'm just going to have a quick look. We've only got 28 seconds to go. I've been cleaning up and messing around. So let's just have a look and see how they're doing. Oh, wow. Oh, God, that looks absolutely... In fact, that's done. I'm going to bring that out now. If this one's done, I suspect the other one will be done. Oh. Oh, my God, that smells wonderful. Oh, yeah, definitely done. So that's less than 10 minutes, isn't it? Less than 10 minutes. I would say 9 would have been perfect. Just look at the way the juices from the plums are running there. Oh, well, I'm very, very pleased with those guys, as you can probably tell. I'm just going to put some cream on them and demolish them. Give that a try. The plums I've got there, I've got a load of plums here. And plums over there. I'm actually going to make crumbles tomorrow, little individual crumbles. I'll cook in both the ninjas and freeze them up. Plums, brown sugar again, pinch of cinnamon, a little bit of honey in the bottom, a knob of butter, and a lovely oaty, nutty crumble top. I'll maybe do a video and let you see what I do with that, because it makes a wicked pudding. Okay guys, have a good weekend. Bye.